Hello car lovers! Today, we're setting our sights on the most luxurious SUVs of 2024. These aren't just vehicles, they're rolling symbols of prestige and innovation. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey to discover the elite of the SUV world. Our journey begins with the majestic Mercedes-Benz GLS. Picture the renaissance of SUVs, a canvas where luxury and power blend seamlessly. Underneath its sculpted exterior lies a heart of strength, a bi-turbo V8 engine delivering a thunderous 483 horsepower. The acceleration? Breathtaking. 0 to 60 mph in just 5.2 seconds, a testament to its engineering marvel. But it's not just about power. The interior is an ode to luxury. Imagine seats that don't just accommodate, but embrace you, crafted in the finest leather. The MBUX infotainment system is more than just a technological wonder, it's your personal command center. Ambient lighting, advanced safety features, and a panoramic sunroof all comes together to create an atmosphere that's nothing short of regal. With a starting price of around $76,000, the GLS is more than a car. It's a lifestyle choice for those who accept nothing but the best. As we leave the royal court of the GLS, we step into the realm of dynamic power and agility. Enter the BMW X7, the epitome of dynamism and elegance. This SUV is a marvel of automotive engineering, a testament to BMW's legacy of performance and luxury. The heart of the X7 is its robust twin-turbocharged engine, ready to unleash up to 523 horsepower. It's not just an SUV, it's a powerhouse on wheels. Its acceleration is a pulse racing experience, combining the thrill of a sports car with the commanding presence of an SUV. Inside, you're greeted with an interior that's the epitome of luxury. Plush seating, advanced technological features, and an environment that's meticulously crafted for comfort and style. The gesture-controlled infotainment system and the panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof are just the cherries on top. Starting at approximately $74,900, the X7 isn't just a vehicle, it's a dynamic statement on wheels, a symbol of power and sophistication for those who dare to stand out. As we leave the adrenaline-pumping world of the X7, we step into the future of automotive technology. Behold, the Audi Q8, the pinnacle of technological advancement in the SUV sector. This vehicle is a rolling testament to Audi's commitment to innovation and design. The Q8 is powered by a mild hybrid V6 engine that effortlessly delivers 335 horsepower, blending performance with efficiency in a symphony of engineering. Its acceleration is smooth yet assertive, offering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Inside, the Q8 is a tech enthusiast's dream. The virtual cockpit is a digital masterpiece, offering drivers a customizable interface that's both intuitive and visually stunning. The MMI Touch Response System takes connectivity and control to new heights, seamlessly integrating with your digital life. With a starting price around $68,200, the Audi Q8 isn't just a car, it's a digital revolution on wheels. Perfect for those who live on the cutting edge of technology and style. Leaving the digital utopia of the Q8, we venture into the realm where luxury meets adventure. Now let's explore the Range Rover Sport, the quintessential blend of off-road prowess and luxury. This SUV is a masterpiece of versatility, ready to conquer any terrain without sacrificing an ounce of comfort or style. The Range Rover Sport offers a range of powerful engines, from a refined 355 horsepower six-cylinder to a breathtaking 575 horsepower V8, each engineered to deliver performance that delivers both on and off the road. The Sport's interior is a sanctuary of luxury, where every detail, from the Meridian sound system to the 4-zone climate control, exudes refinement. The touchscreen infotainment system, plush leather seats, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere that's both sophisticated and inviting. With prices starting at around $69,500, the Range Rover Sport is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of luxury and capability designed for those who demand excellence in every aspect of their drive. As we navigate away from the rugged elegance of the Range Rover Sport, we shift gears to the epitome of sporty luxury. Finally, we arrive at the Porsche Cayenne, a marvel of automotive engineering that redefines the concept of a luxury SUV. It's an SUV that harbors the soul of a sports car, boasting up to 541 horsepower in its turbo variant. The Cayenne is a fusion of exhilarating performance and unbridled luxury. Its handling is a technological marvel, offering the agility and responsiveness of a sports car, while maintaining the practicality and comfort of an SUV. Inside, the Cayenne is a testament to Porsche's legacy of luxury and performance. The cabin features premium materials, state-of-the-art connectivity, and a design that's both elegant and sporty. With a starting price of around $67,500, the Porsche Cayenne is for those who seek the thrill of a sports car but need the versatility and practicality of an SUV. It's a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them in every possible way. And that concludes our tour of the top 5 premium SUVs of 2024. Each of these SUVs stands as a testament to the pinnacle of luxury, performance, and technological innovation in the automotive world. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating insights into the world of automobiles. Until next time, keep your passion for driving alive and indulge in the luxury that surrounds you.